Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting to share with you. If you've been struggling to crack the code on making serious money online or scaling your e-commerce business, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're diving into TikTok Profit Printer, a system that's been making waves in the e-commerce world, and I'm here to break it all down for you. Now, let me just say this up front. I get it. Finding a system that actually works can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But trust me, TikTok Profit Printer might just be the game changer you've been looking for. It's built around leveraging TikTok Shop, a platform that's been quietly turning regular e-commerce businesses into 6- and 7-figure powerhouses. What's really wild is how creator Josh Snow, yes, the same guy who built Snow Teeth Whitening into a $100 million brand, uses this system to generate massive results. We're talking numbers like $292,000 in just 7 days. And get this, the ad spend to make that happen was a ridiculously low $790. That's almost unheard of if you're familiar with traditional platforms like Facebook or Google Ads. The magic of TikTok Shop lies in its affiliate-style setup. Instead of pouring thousands into ads up front, Josh shows how to use creators to do the heavy lifting. These creators make content, post it on TikTok, and drive traffic to your products, all without you having to spend a dime up front. The commissions are performance-based, so you only pay when you make sales. That's a win-win if you ask me. What really stands out here is how Josh taps into arbitrage. This concept is all about making money by leveraging other people's resources. He gives the example of reselling Rolex watches, but with TikTok Profit Printer, the principle applies to user-generated content. You're essentially paying creators only when their videos bring in sales, minimizing risk while maximizing returns. Josh's system goes even deeper with something he calls the creative snowball. This is where things get next level. Imagine having 100 creators producing 30 pieces of content each month. That's 3,000 pieces of user-generated content you can repurpose across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and even Meta ads. He shares how he takes the top-performing TikTok videos, downloads them, and uses them as proven ad creatives on Meta, amplifying the reach and results even further. One of the biggest takeaways for me is how accessible this is, even if you're just starting out. You don't need to have your own product to benefit from this system. Josh includes a bonus module called the No Product Profit Machine, which walks you through finding and dropshipping trending items. Whether it's beauty products like silicone nipple covers or health supplements like Shilajit gummies, he shows you how to get started with less than $500. There's also a huge time-saving aspect built into TikTok Profit Printer. Josh shares templates for creator outreach, script creation, and management. He's boiled down years of trial and error into a step-by-step process that anyone can follow, even if you've never written a script or managed creators before. The best part? You don't need a big team or a massive budget to pull this off. Another standout feature is the TikTok Shop Challenge. This is a 14-day step-by-step program designed to take you from zero to your first sale and beyond. It's broken into daily 15-minute videos, so you're never overwhelmed. If you follow the steps, you're almost guaranteed to see results. And for $27, that's less than what most people spend on coffee in a week. What I really appreciate about Josh's approach is how transparent he is. He even offers a 14-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. Whether you're looking to scale your current e-commerce business, start a side hustle, or just explore a new opportunity, TikTok Profit Printer seems to cover all the bases. The e-commerce landscape is changing fast, and platforms like TikTok Shop are at the forefront of this shift. With traditional advertising costs on platforms like Facebook skyrocketing, especially during high-demand periods like election seasons, this system offers a fresh and effective alternative. It's a way to get in front of the right audience, generate massive brand awareness, and drive sales without the typical upfront costs. So, if you've been on the fence about exploring TikTok Shop or just need a system that actually works, TikTok Profit Printer might be worth a closer look. From the potential for viral content to the almost zero-risk approach with affiliates, it's clear this strategy is designed to deliver results. Thanks for sticking around and hearing me out on this one. Let me know in the comments if TikTok Profit Printer sounds like something you'd try, or if you've already dabbled in TikTok Shop. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights like this. See you in the next video.